G'day folks. Well, it's rather wet outside, so I figured I'd drag in a new appliance that I picked up today for repair. It's just a scrapyard find, didn't cost me anything. I've passed up tons and tons of dishwashers before, but I figured I might as well grab one for washing parts. Had one guy suggest it the other day, and numerous people over the last couple of years suggesting that I grab a dishwasher just for washing engine bits and things in. So I figured I'll give it a try. I know they do work very well, I just haven't had anywhere to set one up. But just for the hell of it, I got this, I think it's Italian made, Blanco, or whatever they call it. Yeah, it says made in Italy, but I'd be more likely the sticker's made in Italy, the rest of the machine's made in China. I don't know. Maybe they do still make appliances in first world countries, but my experience with the Hotpoint washing machine was that it was built in China, and the stickers that said made in England were, well, made in England. So who knows. They've chopped the end of the power lead off, indicating there may be an electrical problem, and the fact that the element is rust staining and overheated in a few spots indicates maybe the heating element's going to ground, particularly when there's water in there and it's going through its heat cycle. So I'm going to start troubleshooting it there. I'll try and figure out if that heating element's bad. There's no end on the power lead, and they cut it off for a reason. Still got the drain pipe. Where's my water input? Oh yeah, it's got water input down there. I've got plenty of hoses for that. The old tar paper insulation on the back of the cabinet. I mean, if worst comes to worst, I'll just do what photonic induction did and turn it into a nice little fire bin. I think his little dishwasher burnt quite well. That was quite impressive, especially for such a tiny little backyard. You see, if I set something like this on fire completely and let it burn up, I'd probably end up with the fire brigade on my back doorstep. It's not to say that hasn't happened before. So, yeah. It's all there though. Oh, I guess I better try and find a way into it and find out what's wrong with it. Now, looking at the underside of it, there's definitely been water getting through the pump or something. A lot of that crap there is rodent shit, which is really nasty. But there's signs of water tracing down the motor, around the stator pack as well. There's a little float there to cut it out if it does fill up that base pan too much. Yeah, it's definitely had water leaking into the base pan, and I'm inclined to look at the pump first. The thing there. I really don't know much about dishwashers. They're quite new to me. Never really bothered trying to fix them. But yeah, if I can get this one working as a parts washer, that'd be quite good. I want to try and find where that heating element goes through and test it first. It's a bit hard to tell. It's all moulded plastic. I've got to get that off, I think. And take that side or the whole whole top cover off it. Oh. Okay, well, that's sort of interesting. I don't know what that crap is, but I've got a feeling it's supposed to be in there. Like little round balls of silica gel or something silly like that. Filtration material. I'm guessing the black crap isn't supposed to be in there. Yeah, it's a rather unusual little thing. I've never worked on dishwashers before, as you can tell. I've got no idea what I'm looking at. I know it's to do with water and probably regulation, but yeah, I've got no idea. Don't know what that is. All that. Yeah, I haven't even plugged it in yet. I just want to get to that heating element and test it to see if it's short to ground. They cut the end of the lead off for some reason. Either that or I'll wait until my computer's finished uploading everything and then I just plug it in and see if the lights go out. But yeah, no, that'll do for now. I've got to get the Jag done tomorrow and go to Brad's place. Have a bit of fun. But that's a sealed polypropylene vessel. that'll all come out as one piece. Yeah, interesting. Oh, I see. That goes in through there to the cabinet. I'm guessing it's to do with water recirculation. We've got sprayers up the top and bottom, which are feeding from the high pressure side, which I'm guessing is under the other side panel down there. Yeah, I think I'm just going to have to plug this in and see where it leaks from, but there's definitely signs of water leakage in the bottom pan, so there's probably a seal failure or something like that. The heating element looks a bit sad, but it might still be alright. More inclined to think it's a water leakage issue than a heating element issue, but they both look pretty bad. Either way, I'll get this thing running again and either use it to wash my dishes or use it to wash engine parts. That'll do for now, and thanks for watching.